Hello, everyone. Well, after you click your cluster there of Google Apps and you find your slides, that's the icon right there. You can go through the template gallery by doing a little pull down there, and it takes you through the different templates. I think I said you could use photo album maybe or portfolio. I'm just, for the heck of it, I'm just going to go and choose photo album. Portfolio is a good one to choose from too. So once I click photo album from this template, all we have to do is just replace the text on the top and post the URL. So I'm going to go ahead and replace this text on the home page. I'm working on, I think, a Chromebook here, and it's going a little bit slow, as you can see. I don't know if it's because there's a stormcast coming up or what, but my internet is going awful slow. Oh, and I just changed the theme. Did you notice that? Not bad. So you can change the themes on anything. And I'm going to go ahead and take that text out and put in my text, Mr. Mac, and it's going to be MD. Oops, I'm sorry. It's going to be MDIA 1500. And I think if I stretch it a little there, I could probably get that 1500 in there. All right. So I could position a little better. Could actually use the arrows. That's about it. Now, of course, there's other things you can do, like if you want to really get into it, change the style, change the font choice. You can add new slides, but this is really kind of blowing PowerPoint out of the water. And plus, you can create a web page with a couple clicks. So it's really got some cool add-ons and do voiceover right on it. So I'm just going to go ahead and follow what you have to do here. Oh, you know what? Let me get rid of that. I'm just going to highlight it. And I'm going to click delete. So anyway, it's got some nice slides. And I just want to let you know that if you want to replace a photo, you don't have to. It's not required for this assignment. You can right-click it, and you can replace image. So I can replace the image from a computer uploading it, from a drive or a photo. So if anybody you're working for want to do a quick prototype or doing something for your boss or like I said, a client, this is just a very powerful tool. So let's go ahead and let's just export this. So I click File, Publish to the Web, and then I'm just going to click Publish. I'll click OK. And that's going to give me that link that I can go maybe Control-C. I'm going to copy it, right? Once I copy it, then I can just go ahead and put it in my discussion board, right? And I'd scroll down and paste it into the discussion board. I don't know if we put up a and you'd create a thread and of course just paste it in there. And that's basically the same thing you'd do with your Wix site, the Wix part of this assignment. You go into your Wix and sign up for a free account there.